going to make me a little planter box for me to grow some flowers in. He's using pallet wood, which he's cut to, what's the length, Mark? 400
mil long,
which is 40 centimeters, and Mark says it's going to be about 200 wide. Each plank is about 100 mil. So this is how he starts. He's going to drill some holes. And use a 50 mil screw, Mark?
Yep.
A 50 mil screw.
You might drill it.
As I said, we use pallet wood, so we find them from local builder's yard or people offering them. And then Mark takes them apart and makes things from them.
Wrong size.
Sorry, not fitting in. You can see how you will fit them together. Mark's cut the side bits at 200 mil, 20 centimeters.
24.7.
24.7.
That's the way.
And he's now drilling the holes to attach it to the box.
Which is the scruffy side. The bush scruffy sides.
For some reason he's cut them short, but he has a reason for that.
What's that? Oh, we'll explain that in a minute. Because
Yeah.
if I put a long one there, like that,
Yeah.
how's that ring going to connect to that ring?
Okay.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
I've got to put it.
So that was his explanation. He's now got it upright but clamped it. Now Mark's going to drill the two holes at the bottom so that he can connect the bottom two planks to the sides. He's pulled it in by clamping it, this piece of wood, as the bottom plank wasn't straight.
A little bit thicker this.
Oh, because otherwise you can't connect this to.
No.
Okay. I see what you mean.
One thing, how do I do this?
So you made a few. He's done one side and now it's the other side. It's now fitted the second one. Why are you using the clamp, Mark?
I'll put it in tight.
Pull the plank in tight.
So tight again.
Okay. So one side is in. Mark's using the clamp to pull the plank in again. This is the other side now. You can fit the other side, the plank on the other side. Mark calls it a scruffy plank. But you can sand it down, can't you, Mark?
Yeah, but here's one.
This was
Oh, I glued it.
what happened? Can you
Well, I cut it. The splinter came off.
came
now.
off? So you've now glued it
So I glued it.
and then clamped it.
Better looking plank than that.
He's now using the one that he's glued and hoping it fits in.
Please.
Please fit it there, easy, Mark. The other way around. Sometimes you have to try them the other way around to see if they'll fit in that way. To explain why we have Hitachi tools. We think they're better than Ryobi.
Yep, we like the colour.
Mark likes the colour.
Yeah.
Um,
What else?
they're cheaper.
They're
Yeah,
cheaper than DeWalt and Makita.
Makita. So that's why we have the Hitachi.
So we got lots
It's
of.
we think it's a better quality than Ryobi, though there's many people who love Ryobis.
Yeah.
And we have got a
We've got-
drill, I think,
We've got quite a few Ryobi tools.
but we've slowly gone to Hitachi.
Or Hikoki as
Hikoki as is now known.
And if Hikoki are watching, they can send a full arsenal of Hikoki tools to me if you want.
Just for you to try them, Mark, yeah?
Let me just try.
But this one is, like we said, 200 mil or 20 centimeter. If you want to finish it, you can bit it, Mark cut at the bottom. You can add there to the top. But I think Mark wants to add one more because the deeper it is, the better for the root system of a plant. So 200 is fine. I was going to just use for some flowers, but if Mark wants to add another layer, we can add another layer. So now Mark's added the third one to that side. This is the other side. See now what it looks like. Mark's added the third layer. So you guys can see that's 25 centimeters wide by length, which is
45?
45, and the height is
around about
27. Now we're going to just add a few feet to it, turning it around. Huh?
You should say, in case you don't think I like Ryobi, who's our Ryobi?
Haven't we used this one for mixing or not? That's a different one, isn't it?
No, it's the drill.
Yeah. How come the Ryobi came out?
Well, I don't want to think of mine.
Yeah, okay.
This one's, you could, if you run it again, I'll say something later.
Okay. Now you can see, you can slightly see it's off the ground. He's now going to drill some holes in the bottom of it so it can drain. This is the other Ryobi. Mark's most likely going to sand it a bit and then we'll paint it.
It's
Whatever.
fairly rough wood,
It's
isn't
rough wood, yeah.
So
You can,
I might sand it, I don't know.
depends if you're bored.
But it's just really cheap, free pallet wood.
Pellet wood that makes a nice planter. You can use it for flowers. You can use it for growing vegetables in, like spinach, lettuce, rocket, yeah, carrot. Even that it's quite deep, you could even grow carrots in there. So this is what it looks like once it's finished. We painted it with this Ronsil one coat timber care. Actually painted it twice because the wood, this pallet wood was blue, so you'd see it, so it probably could do with another coat. Also painted it inside to preserve the wood, so it's looking quite smart. But we didn't sand it, so that's why it's still got a rougher look. We didn't have time. But you can easily, if you haven't got a lot of space, you can easily grow some veggies in here, and that's what it's all about. One more thing, I buy this just from Lidl. It's they have offers a few times a year, and this one was like 8-9 quid, and we use that for painting all our woodwork.